Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang sa Perry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din lang mga kalaban. Na parang na modus, ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang
Good morning again mga ka-Velvet. Dito na tayo para sa ating third game of the day. Battle between YMCA Basketball and BYB.
Abo gets some space and Abo hits a triple. Now Pineda answers. Luistro magbaba ng bola para sa BYB. Bibigay kay De Chavez. De Chavez will attack. Kick out. Luistro. Out of bounds. Turnover. Inside pass. Basket's good. For jersey number 23. Cerezo missed the layup. Out of bounds. Ball stays on BYB. So 13 seconds on the shot clock. Abo again. Tries another. No good. Inside pass again. Shot no good this time. Another three-pointer. Miss. Abo with the rebound. Ibigay dito kay Luistro. Gives it to De Chavez. De Chavez launches. Air ball. Dantic. Turnover. Pass break on the other end. Luistro. And he gets the lefty layup. Dantic. Pass on. Here's number 1 against Abacan. 5 seconds. And it's a foul on Luistro.
Number 7, Luistro. First personal foul, first team foul. 14 seconds.
First fresh 14 para sa YMCA. Kapasan finding Pineda. Back to Kapasan. Launches to 3. Air ball on the first shot para dito kay Kapasan. Luistro. De Chavez. Abo again. Corner. Another turnover para sa YMCA. It is BYB ball. Foul called on Gapasan. That's his first personal foul. Abo again. Badly misses. Pass break. Holding foul is on Abacan.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Have a substitution for BYB. Abo checks out. Kapasan. Here's number 1. 3-pointer no good. Out of bounds.
Bounce, BYB ball.
Cuenca with the steal. Son Beritan. To Mosquera. Top of the key. Solis with the miss.
Foul.
Loose ball foul called on Abakan.
Second personal foul, third team foul.
And Abakan with the second personal foul. Checks out of the ball game. Kapasan will attack. Kapasan with the layup. Misses. Luistro grabs a rebound. Pass break. Solis. Solis a spin. Solis with the shot. Cerezo. Rebound. On to the Chavez. It's a fall on Cuenca.
Jersey number 23. First personal foul, second team foul. Substitution.
The Chavez on the line. First shot is good para the Chavez. Cuenca with the rebound. Bibigay dito kay Kapasan. On to Kapasan ng Cuenca. Inside pass. Intercepted by Luistro. And Porto slides out of bounds. It is YMCA ball. Beritan launches. Air ball. The Chavez spins. Chavez attacks. Chavez posted in. Kapasan, pass on to Cuenca. Inside pass, Beritan. Masyado malakas ang tira. Ten seconds to shoot. Anion Nuevo. Pulls up. Basket. By Nino Nuevo. Kapasan again. Kapasan against Porto. Layup. BYB on the other end. The Chavez attacks two. Misses. No steal. Luistro. The Chavez again against Cuenca. Count the basket. Plus the foul.
Foul on jersey number 23.
Defense to offense para dito sa BYB. YMCA basketball calls for a timeout.
Remaining time, 1 minute
Focus lang sa goal para sure win effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, get out let's
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, liga.
And we are back to the ball game. Turnover para sa BYB. Sikat with the steal. Gives it to Fortu. Fortu with the fake. Fortu attacks. Gets fouled. Foul is called on jersey number 29. That's his first personal foul.
First personal foul, 13th foul.
When Fortu gets the first basket on the line. Missed the second. Cuenca grabs a rebound. Ball stays on YMCA basketball. Malyari gives it to Solis. Back onto Malyari. Mosquera. Shot clock winding down. Shot clock violation. Nice defense by BYV. Forcing a turnover for YMCA. Now the Chavez. The bump pulls up, no good. Solis grabs a rebound. A steal. Porto scores on the other end. Defense to offense again for BYB. Solis will attack. Miss the layup. Cuenca. Basket. Plus the foul. That's a foul on jersey number 17. Cuenca misses. Loose ball foul. It's a foul on jersey number 29 of YMCA. I guess it's on Sampiano. 20 seconds. Shot clock is off. Pinyon Hebo. A traveling violation called on Masikat. 6 seconds remaining. YMCA basketball with last possession. Malyari running shot. Tries to beat the buzzer. That's it para sa ating first quarter. It's 15-4 para sa BYB. Stay tuned, magbabalik po tayo para sa ating second quarter.
Moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, Liga, Liga,
Come
Liga.
and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops ang...
Back on the second quarter. BYB with a strong first quarter.
Kara.
And Porto can't get the layup. Niño Nuevo. Tax. Niño Nuevo fouls. And one. Again, there's a foul on Cuenca. Cuenca, second personal foul. Bonus shot para dito kay Niño Nuevo. Can't complete the 3-point play. Solis. Finding Veritan. Rejected by Niño Nuevo. It's an 8 seconds violation. Dante gives it to Solis. Mosquera. Veritan outside. Solis rejected again by Niño Nuevo. Solis again with the miss. Finding Veritan. Veritan rejected again. Niño Nuevo. That's 3 blocks on Niño Nuevo here in the second quarter. The Chavez attacks, baseline, basket. Cuenca inside. Cuenca with the miss. Battle for the rebound. It is Niño Nuevo. Pushing the ball. Niño Nuevo. Layup, basket. Niño Nuevo doing it all para sa BYB. He's everywhere on the floor. Blocking shots, making layups. And Veritan gets the roll on the three-pointer. And a steal, Veritan. Transition. Pass onto Dantic, and Dantic basket. De Chavez. Ibigay Luistro. Inside pass din yung Nuevo. Fade away jumper, no good. Solis pushing the ball. Finding Cuenca. Cuenca again. Another basket para sa YMCA. Masikat. Wide open. He misses the shot. Solis again with another rebound. Mosquera, balik dito kay Solis ang bola. Beritan again. Now De Chavez attacks. De Chavez somehow gets the basket. Absorbing the contact, but there's no call foul. Solis again will attack. Solis with the miss. And the Chavez rejected by Mosquera. Ball stays on BYB. Luistro gets the running shot. Pineda will attack. Pineda inside the paint. Abo. Flores against Abacan. Finding Dantic. Steps back. Dantic. Ball for the rebound. Andaya gets the ball. Abacan. Baseline. Attacking. Mosquera with the rebound. Dantic. Transition basket. Gives it to Abo. Mosquera. Flores finding Pineda from the baseline. Abacan kick out, finding Andaya, launches. Cereza with the rebound. Nice defense by YMCA. Dantic tags. No basket. Offensive foul called on Dantic. We have a substitution for BYB. YMCA, rather. Luistro gives to Abacan. Swings the ball back to Abacan. 3-pointer, no good. Campiano gets it to Flores, and Flores with the basket. BYB calls for a timeout.
Pasok sa sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako tumitres.
Foul, jersey number 7, Dante.
We are back to the ball game. That's the take. Called for personal foul. Abo. Is to Abakan. Abakan attacks, kick out, back to Abo, launches. And Daya offensive rebound. Again, finding Abo. Abakan baseline. Misses. Flores. Transition. Flores misses. Then tick. Kick out. Pineda. Nice defense by Abakan. Flores rejected by Andaya. Andaya 3-pointer no good. Andaya again stays with the play. Count na basket plus the foul.
Basket down, Andaya. Foul on jersey number 9. First personal foul, Warner.
Andaya gets an and one basket. He was fouled by Mosquera. And Andaya next down the bonus shot.
Out of bounds. Save ball. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 16.
Basket para dito kay Pineda. Luistro.
Out of bounds.
It's out of bounds.
Lions save ball. Steal.
Andaya with the steal. Andaya gets some space. Andaya hits.
20 seconds.
Mosquera tries to answer back. Two man on the floor.
Bounds.
As Flores out of bounds.
Seconds remaining.
Shot loss of 13 seconds. Andaya again. Launches another one. Mosquera with the rebound. 5 seconds. And that's the end of our first half.
31-19.
It is 31-19. 12-point lead by BYB as we headed on to the second half.
Ines, focus lang sa goal para sure win effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan naman pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga
We are now in the second half of the ball game. The Chavez scores on the other end. Kapasan. Extra pass inside, no good. Nice fake. But missed the shot. Kapasan again. Ulan. And another miss. Para sa YMCA. Now traveling violations called on BYB. And Daya gets an open layup. There goes a steal. Sa Chavez. Ibigay dito kay Forto. Finding Andaya. Chavez attacks. Nice defense by Olan. Battle for the rebound. Andaya again, wide open, knocks it down. Andaya. Another turnover para sa YMCA. It's BYB ball. Three-pointer again, Andaya. Another steal. Inyonebo, bibigay dito kay Furto. Andaya again, in and out. We have a whistle and a foul.
Foul on jersey number 12. First personal foul, first team foul.
It's a foul on jersey number 12. It's YMCA ball. It's an 8 seconds violation. Cuenca misses the shot. It's foul called on jersey number 12.
Foul on jersey number 23, Cuenca.
Jersey number 23 rather. That's on Cuenca again. That's his third personal foul. Chavez. Kick out. Niño Nuevo. No good. Offensive foul.
Offensive foul on jersey number 7. Third personal foul, second team foul.
Balik sa BYB ang bola. 10 seconds. Porto. Kick out. Finding Masikat. Corner. Basket. A steal. Niño Nuevo. Lays it up. No good. Niño Nuevo again. Porto with a fake. Porto. Kick out. The Chavez. Spins. The Chavez. Fall away jumper. No good. Niño Nuevo again. Misses a shot. Mascara. Gives it the tick. Finding Beritan. Out of bounds.
Out of bounds, BYB ball. Traveling violation.
It's a traveling violation. The Chavez gets a layup. Steals again and scores on the other end. Baninyo Nuevo, YMCA, timeout.
Focus na din lang mga kalaban na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to coast to coast. Kapag gumana to champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paligan na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
and bounce the ball.
Final jersey number 11, Andaya. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Flores.
Beritan the steal. Beritan scores. Jersey number 12 inside the paint against Truman. Basket's good. Somehow.
Out of bounds, same ball. 15 seconds of the shot clock.
15 seconds on shot clock. Flores gives it to Beritan. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice defense by Abacan. And Luistro gets a steal. Luistro lays it in. Basket. Jump ball. It's BYB. It's BYB ball. Beritan gets the easy layup. 15 seconds shot clock is off. 10 seconds. Patibog attacks, layup, basket.
Matibo.
That's the end of our third quarter.
And of the third quarter, score 54-28 in favor of
54-28 para sa BYB as we head down to the last quarter.
Maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag hinagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig.
Last and final quarter.
For our last and final quarter, BYB leading against YMCA at the start of the first quarter until here to the fourth quarter. Don't take fires, don't take, can't hit the Chavez rebound. Ten seconds to shoot. A steal by Beritan.
Foul on jersey number 24.
It's a foul on Niño Nuevo.
First person is fouled, first team foul. Out of one single, 15 seconds of the shot clock.
Nasa 15 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa YMCA basketball.
Niño Nuevo.
And steal. Beritan. Ahead pass. Lantic. Lantic missed the wide open layup. Flores. Beritan rather makes the layup basket. Flores scores para sa YMCA Basketball.
Out of bounds.
It is an out of bounds.
Flores. Ten. Out of bounds single. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Timeout. BYB.
Timeout para sa BYB Basketball.
Na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag hinagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Baba ang lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 ball is life. Dapat bola, 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 ball is life. Dapat bola, 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 ball is life. Dapat bola, 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 ball is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball lilig.
8 seconds on the shot clock.
8 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa BYB. Andaya, corner, triple, no good. Niño Nuevo, offensive rebound, gets another basket.
Out of bounds single. 17 seconds on the shot clock.
Flores, some rebound, kick out, Beritan. Tax, Beritan, running shot no good, Dantik, finding Flores. Flores, puts it in, basket's good.
Ten. Foul on personal for 12. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Andaya again with another 3-pointer. Dantik gives to Beritan. Beritan launches. Basket. It's a foul on Beritan. Chavez, Katibog, lays it up, no good. Flores running on the floor, pushing the, finding Beritan. Beritan with the miss.
Out of bounds, YMCA ball.
Katibog misses, jersey number 5. Andaya, short jumper. Flores grabs a rebound.
Foul jersey number 61. First personal foul, 13 foul. Jersey number 33.
That's a 3-pointer. It's a pushing foul called on jersey number 39. Nuevo with the steal. 1 minute remaining. Porto using some clock. Bibigay dito kay Andaya. Niño Nuevo the fake. Short jumper no good. Jersey number 5. Basket.
Last 30 seconds. Steve, 20. The Chavez. 10 seconds. 5.
That's the end of the ball game. BYB defeating YMCA Basketball.
Basketball illegal, legal, legal, legal. Velvet D-League basketball illegal, legal, legal, legal. Velvet D-League basketball illegal, legal, legal, legal. Velvet D-League basketball illegal, legal, legal,
Come
legal.
and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti ng